Good morning everyone. It's your maths class, question number 4. In previous classes we done question number 1, 2, 3 with examples. Now we start question number 4. Okay, same chapter unit number 3, exercise 3A, page number 71. Multiply the following. Now we multiply in base 2 system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Bracket close, put base, multiply 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, base 2. Okay, check your question one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Now we multiply in base 2 system. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 1, multiply by 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, multiply. Okay, in base 2 system. 0 1s are 0, 0 0 0 0 are 0, 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 0 1s are 0. 0 multiply by any number, again we get 0. Now 1 multiply by 1 1s are 1, 1 0 0, 7 0, we put 7 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second digit 1, 1 multiply by all 0. So 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0. Now we have 7 0. So we write over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 1s are 1. Second step done. Now we start third step. This 0 multiply by whole number value of first value. 0 1s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 0s are 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit. So this 0 multiply by 9 digits. So we write over here 9 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear the method. 0 1s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 1s are 0. First step, second step, third step. Finish. Now fourth step, we put cross, 3 cross. This 0 multiply by first value. So 0 1s are 0. We have total 7, 8, 9 digits. So 9 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Third step done. 0 multiply by 1, 0 1s are 0, 0 1 0s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 0s are 0 or 0 1s are 0. Now first, second, third, fourth step, fifth one. So we cut over here 4 cross right over here. It's the last step. 1 multiply by 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 0s are 0, 1 0s are 0, 1 0s are 0, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1. Okay, 1 1s are 1. After 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0. Then 1 1s are 1. 0 multiply by first value or 1 multiply by first value. Okay, in this part we have first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. Okay, in multiply we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we have 5 steps. Now next step we add them. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Correct answer? Just check your answer. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 would be the answer of first part. It's base 2. Multiply in base 2 system. 0 multiplied by 1, 0, 1 is 0, or 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 0 is 0. 1 multiplied by any number, again we get the itself, or 0 multiplied by any number, so we get 0, 0, 0 is a 0, 0, 1 is a 0. Part 4423 4423 base 5 multiplied by 44 base 5. In base 5 system we use 0 till 4, not 5 or not greater than 5. If we have 5 or greater than 5, so we convert into base 5 system. Now we multiply 4, 4, 2, 3 base 5 multiply by 44. Now in this question we have 2 steps. 4 3s are, first we simple multiply. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Clear? 4 3s are 12. 12 it's a greater than 5, so we convert into base 5 system. Clear? 4 3s are 12. 12 convert into base 5 system. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10, 2 is left. It means in base 5 system 12 equal to 22. 2 write over here. Take 1, 2 carry. Okay. 5 in base 5 system 12 equal to 22. 22, 2 write over here. 2 carry. Simple multiply. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 convert into base 5 system. 5 2s are 10. 0 is left. It means in base 5 system 10 equal to 20. So we write over here 2 0 or 2 carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 16, 17, 18. 18 convert into base 5 system. 5 3s are 15. 18 minus 15, 3 is left. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 is left, it's 33. 3 right over here. 3 carry. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19 convert into base 5 system. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 3s are 15. 15 minus 19, 16, 17, 18, 19. 4 is left. Okay, it means in base 5 system 19 equal to 34. In 34, it's our last digit, we copy as it is 34. Correct? Now cross. In second step, same. Cut the first carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 equal to 22. 2. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8. 9 10. 10 equal to 20. 0. 2 carry. Again 4 4s are 16. Plus 2. 17. 18. 18 equal to 33. 3. 3 carry. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3. 19. 19 equal to 34. correct? It's a last digit, so as it is copy down, full number 34. We multiply in base 5 system. Now we add them in base 5 system. 2, 2, 3. After add, if we get 5 or greater than 5, so we convert into base 5 system. Less than 5, like 0 till 4 digit, so as it is copy down. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 convert into base 5 system. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 2 is left. 12. Okay, so 2 write over here, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 equal to, now we convert it, 8 equal to 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 is left. It means in base 5 system, 8 equal to 13. Clear? 13. So 3 right over here, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is less than 5. As it is copy down, put base. Done. Second part B1, question number 4. Third part C, base 8 system, 1346, 1346 base 8 multiply by 41 in base 8 system. Okay, we apply same method. In base 8 system, 1346 base 8 multiply by 41 base 8. 1 6 are 6. 0 till 7 as it is copy down. After multiply, if we get 8 or greater than 8 like 9, 10, 13, 14, so we convert into base 8 system. Point is clear? Now 1 6 are 6, 1 4 are 4, 1 3 are 3, 1 1 are 1. Second step, 4 6 are 24. 24 and convert into base 8 system. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. 3s are 24, 0 is left. It means in base 8 system, 24 equal to 30. 0, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 convert into base 8 system. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 24 is a bigger number, so 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. I take 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19. 3 is left, so 23. Correct? 3, 2 carry. Correct this step. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. We convert into base 8 system. 19 equal to 23. 3 we write over here. 2 carry. Now 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 convert into base 8 system. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It's a bigger number. 8 2s are, 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. Minus it. 8 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It means 66 is left. So in base 8 system, 14 equal to 16. 6, 1 borrow. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 as it is copy down, it's less than 8. Now add them. 6, 4, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 5. Okay, base 8. Okay, 5 7 6 4 6 base 8. Answer of third part C1. Okay, done. Question number 4.